Hi friends. Eating Buldak Ramen with raw egg. I decided to upgrade the last packet of every Buldak Ramen flavor that I have. Sometimes I get it right. Sometimes I get it wrong. Today I am going to upgrade Buldak Carbonara. I am going to mimic the real carbonara. I added 3 pieces of mozzarella cheese, raw egg yolk, and chopped laksa leaves. The melted cheese and raw egg yolk made the sauce super thick and nice. The laksa leaves gave a nice aroma that helps to cut through the greasines of the cheese. I will give this a success. Will you try this? Or how do you prefer to upgrade your ramen?